Nepal and China is the very good friend and a neighbor country. Before I am visited in the Beijing, Chengdu, Yiwu, Fuzhou, Guangzhou also, and Dhulikhel municipality, my municipality, and Xi'an municipality is developing the friendship relation, and EU municipality also too. We are collaborating with so many development sector, education, tourism development, and logistics support. We are collaborating with the Chinese municipalities. Still now, Chinese government and Nepal government is doing very well. So many development sector, infrastructure development, road construction, science and technology, and developing the Nepalese economy also. That was we are very happy to be collaborating and connecting the China and Nepal. I think this is the very good initiation from the China government and the Nepalese communities to developing the conference and managing the conference.